website, and that is Call Me Crafty Al. I'll have the link in the description box below. I find it's a wonderful opportunity for me to shop my stash every month, dig into my supplies, and use them in new creative ways. This month I will show you the template here. The nice thing about the templates that we get from Alicia is that this is a full-size sketch, so when you're making your card you can actually hold up pieces or stamps or sentiments or whatever you would like and see if they will fit in the places that she has provided. She's done all the work for you. All you have to do is pick out 3 pieces of paper. Sometimes it's 12 by 12, sometimes it's 6 by 6. This month we were using 6 by 6, and I selected this Peaceful Prints collection of designer series paper. That was a free item back in the August-September 2021 Sale-A-Bration promotion. She also tells you what cardstocks you'll need, what sizes to cut these items to, how many cards bases you will need. For my card bases I used Sahara sand, and the reason I did that is because on the back of your designer series paper, Stampin' Up very kindly tells you what colors coordinate with this designer series paper. So one of the colors was Sahara sand. That's what I chose for my base. And then the 3 sheets that I chose to use were these. They seem to go nicely together. And you'll notice I also pulled out this sheet that has the deer on it, and these could be used, these could be cut out using the Deer Builder punch, which is still in the catalog. And I used that as one of my embellishments. I also used the Peaceful Deer stamp set, and for this I might as well show you my card. For this one I did a little bit of stamp surgery here, and where you see the Merry Christmas, I cut the Merry apart from the Christmas. You can always put them back together on your stamp block when you need to use the whole sentiment. And I used the Garden Green ink and Garden Green cardstock for my matting, and I also used some of our red rhinestones to make some interesting embellishments here. The other thing that I did was inside. For this sentiment I used Trees for Sale, which is also a current stamp set from Stampin' Up. I'll have all the links for my website and things like that, how you can contact me, down in the description box below. I hope you'll give Alicia's SheetLoad of Cards a try. I have been enjoying this for the whole time that we've been kind of stuck in the house during COVID, and I love every month how she has a wonderful new template for us to use. She's done all the work for us. All we have to do is pick out which items from our stash we'd like to use. There you go. I hope you have a lovely day. Thank you for joining me. I hope you'll subscribe and leave me a comment and tell me how you like this SheetLoad of Cards. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.